In online every week, at least one website gone viral because of AI. And some people marketing it like that it's replacing you or it's making you richer, something like this. Or sometimes people also fake you like that you can sleep and you can also earn money in this way. In this video, I'm going to talking with you about those AI's reality, so that the people how they're making it hype, it's not something like this, but it's very much useful for you, but it's not like this how people showing it. So I'm Mohammed Sajid Hassan, you watching Sajid's Take. Before starting this video, I'm requesting you guys, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. If you do so still now, this video dedicated for you. Let's get started. The first of all, this is the ChatGPT. Some people think that ChatGPT equal AI or AI equal ChatGPT. Something like this. AI is ChatGPT and nothing else. But people misunderstood it because ChatGPT is the very first pioneer here in this, which is very much effectively working with the people. But it's not something like this. It can make you rich or it can replace you. So here ChatGPT, what they do actually, it can rewrite you something, it can brainstorming with you, it can give you some concept, but it's not something like this. It can do anything automatically for you or for your business. So you have to work. You can generate idea, you can generate even the codes as well, but this won't be as a perfect every time. You have to just take this code or you have to take this content and then you have to rewrite those according to your wish, because it's not something like this. It will understand everything according to you. Even though if you give him some API as well, it won't understand what's on these. So in this case, this is the thing. It's not something like that it will replace you. It can help you, but it won't replace you, because we are human beings. We have a lots of ideas, but they don't have. Even though we have some feelings, we have some emotions as well. But this AI chatbot don't have any emotions, any feelings as well. So they can just work with you like an assistant, not your boss. So here, this is the second thing, that is Notion AI. Some people think that Notion AI can make your productivity higher, can make your work more smarter, but it's not something like this. If you have any work routine or working structure, in this case, you can tell it to Notion AI, they can make you something like this, but it doesn't mean that they can work on behalf of you or they can make everything on behalf of you. It can help you to structure a good way so that you can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this. But the people thinking that it's something like this, it will also make our productivity very much worse. So in this case, it's very much wrong concept for the people, because it's a robot. It's not a human being that which will understand what work you need very first. It can just help you in these ways. And the next thing, the last thing, that is the Character.AI. Right now, the Character.AI getting much viral because of making some characteristics. You can talk with these characteristics, you can create some characteristics, even though you can chat with them as well, even though you can also make some voices as well with them. But it doesn't mean that it's a human and it's doing everything there. It's just a characteristics which is making by the chatbot. It's not something like this. Here it has all the motions, all the emotions, all the feelings, all the happiness, everything. But what the character you said it here, it will work it. But some people think that here by this we can create lots of characters, something like this. It doesn't mean that it will replace your works or something like this. So guys, this is the thing I want to share with you regarding to this big topics, because sometimes people thinking that these AIs are taking away all our jobs, replacing us and making our works 10 hours works in 1 hour. It doesn't mean that it will make you more richer, it will make you more productivity. The productivity will have to come from yourself. The richness you will have to come from yourself, because the harder you work, the smarter you work, you can be rich. but it doesn't mean that you every time work with robot and it will make you rich overnight. So here you guys, this is the thing what I'm just talking to you. Now guys, it's your turn. I hope you like this video and you will be very much happy with this topic as well. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care. Have a nice day.